Shashamine, the heartbeat of unity and progress.
Shashamene, Burgitu, Oragala, Orani, Mirkangala, Ornike. Watingala, Burgitu, Oragala, Orani, Mirkangala, Ornike. Orile, Orile, Oragala, Ornike.
Shashamine, the heartbeat of unity and progress. Welcome to Shashamene, a city more than just a name on the map. It is a land where civilizations meet, cultures blend, and people live not just in coexistence, but in harmony. This is the story of Shashamene, its journey, its soul, and its significance to Ethiopia and East Africa. Shashamene holds a unique place in history. Once a modest town, it grew into a symbol of Pan-Africanism and political cooperation. It welcomed the Rastafarian community, invited by Emperor Haile Selassie himself, as a gesture of African unity and solidarity. Today, the city continues to be a melting pot of politics and diplomacy, a place where the pulse of Ethiopia meets the aspirations of East Africa. Strategically located along major transit routes, Shashamene is a hub for commerce and connectivity. Goods from the south and east of Ethiopia pass through its gates, feeding not only the city, but fueling regional economies. Small businesses, growing industries, and vibrant markets empower thousands of citizens. Youth empowerment centers and skill-building hubs are shaping a new generation of entrepreneurs and professionals. Blessed with fertile soil and a favorable climate, Shashamene's countryside is a breadbasket of Ethiopia. From teff to maize, vegetables to fruits, the land is alive and the farmers are proud. Shashamene is not just an economic center, it's a cultural jewel. It shines with Oromo heritage, Rastafarian roots, and the shared identity of many Ethiopian nations and nationalities. Art and tradition are preserved through generations. Music, storytelling, and handcrafts echo the voice of ancestors and inspire the youth to carry the flame of culture forward. One of Shashamene's most remarkable features is its religious harmony. Here, Orthodox Christians, Muslims, Protestants, and Rastafarians not only coexist, they celebrate one another. More than 80 nations and nationalities call this city home. From the Oromo to Amhara, Sidama to Guraj, from Tigray to Somali, diversity is not a challenge here. It is our greatest strength. In Shashamene, identity is not divided. It is multiplied. This city is Ethiopia in miniature. Shashamene is more than just a place. It is a spirit, a vision of peace, development, unity, and pride. A city that contributes to the body of Ethiopia and the heart of East Africa. This is Shashamene. Diverse, determined, developing. Shashamine, the heartbeat of unity and progress.